Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. We're going to play This Land Is Your Land. Ukulele Wine Time. We need 4 chords to start. As always, wine is optional. Those chords we need are C, F, G, and A minor. I'm going to do a quick chord review. If you want to skip it, you can check out the timestamp below to jump ahead to the next section. We need a C chord. We've got ukulele fingers. Thumb doesn't get a number. Sorry, thumb. 1, 2, 3. Third finger on the 1, 2, 3 third fret for our C chord. We need, let's actually start with an A minor next. So that's our second finger on the second fret, 1, 2, of the top string closest to your face. That's our A minor chord. The reason I went to that one next is because you can just keep that there, put down one more finger. So your first finger or pointer finger, skip a string, first fret for your F chord. So A minor, F. Cool? And then last up, we've got our G chord. There's our G. Makes a little triangle on the fretboard. These 3 fingers, peace sign fingers on these strings here, and then your ring finger makes that point on the triangle on the 3rd fret. If you're like, what are you talking about? Check out my Ukulele Basics for Total Beginners class. It's a free class. I put it together for total beginners. It's a blast. So much fun. We drink wine. It's totally free. Check that out below if you're like, yes, I think I need that. If you don't, if you're like, okay, I got this. Let's move ahead to This Land Is Your Land. So this song has a ton of verses, but each one is actually the same chord progression. So I'm going to take us through kind of what is the chorus. This land is your land, this is my land, California to New York Island. That's what we'll call the chorus, and then one verse, but really it's the same the whole way throughout. Check out the PDF linked below because I love to line up the words with the chords. I think that's super helpful, whether whatever level of ukulele you're at. It's just really nice to know where the lyrics lay. So we've got an F chord on the word your. This land is your land. This land is. On the word my, we go back to a C chord. My land. On California, on the 4 of California, we go to a G chord. Fornia to the New York Island. C chord on island. On the word forest, we go to F. F for forest. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. So, okay, check it out. We can just do a C chord here on waters. Optional walk down. What that means, waters. We can do C to A minor. And the melody notes naturally do that. So if that feels good to you, you can do a C to A minor there. Chorus, verse, every single time. If you want to do the kind of easier version of that, just hang out there on a C. Okay? And then when we go, the last line is this land. So on the word this, we go to an F chord. This land was made, G, on made for you and me. Me, we play C. Okay, we're going to put that all together. I'm just doing downstrokes with my thumb on the chords. Again, I suggest following along on that chord sheet. That's going to help you out a lot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Ooh, nice job. Ah, this is such a great, simple little folk song. Thanks, Woody Guthrie. This is just a gorgeous song. Okay, tiny wine break. So now what we're going to do, we're going to check out the verse after this. We will play a simple chorus. That's what we just did with the simple downstrokes. I'm going to add in a verse after this. So, as I went walking that ribbon of highway, and we'll go through that. And then we're going to do another chorus after that. We're going to try to add a strumming pattern. So as always, I've got three levels here. First level is just that downstroke that we just did, simple downstroke. Second level is we're going to add more downstrokes. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Cool. That's level 2. Leveling up from there, we can do a down, down, up, down, 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 up. Here we go. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Woo! Okay, let's put it all together. We're going to do a simple chorus with just downstrokes. I'm going to do a verse with more downstrokes. Okay, so that's our level 2. And then I will do one more chorus with our strumming pattern. Okay? Take a sip of wine because you're probably going to need it. Or not, coffee. I don't know. What time of day is it by you? Okay, we're going to put that all together. Are you ready? You are ready. Simple downstrokes. This land is your land. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Here's our verse. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. Here's our strumming pattern. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Ah, I was just picturing you around a campfire playing this song. I hope that is in your future. If not, right now. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed learning This Land is Your Land. Again, I want to reiterate, it's the same the whole way through. So there's like 4 or 5 other verses, but the chords stay the same the whole way. You can mix and match, do your simple downstrokes, add your strumming pattern, kind of add some interesting contour to your song there. Please let me know if you play this around a campfire. I really love that. I really want to hear about it. If you found this video helpful, please cheers the like button below, and I will see you soon for more Ukulele Wine Time. Ukulele Wine Time.